The train.
We're on the train, and the geese are following us.
Oh, I'm so scared. I absolutely hate geese. I was on here yesterday with my sister, she loved it.
Oh my god.
It's more faster to that. It's faster at the back.
Yeah, you just get dragged along. I'm a Jenny. Fuck you.
If it came after me, I'll actually kick it in the face.
If you see it all right.
Okay.
I got a message, hold that. Oh my god, my hand frozen. She put cool. I'm gonna call that.
What did you say? You're on the train?
Orange answer, man. Great. Oh my god, so fast. I feel like such a little kid.
I know, right? So, if my bags fell off now, I'll jump out.
Yes, I know. Smile. Oh my god, it's so cold.
Smile. Hang on. Danny, smile.
Did you take it?
Yeah.
Let me have a look. No!
We need to put a profile picture on Facebook.
Come sit next to me and we'll take a photo together. Come on. Please. Jenny, say hi.
Hey.
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 We're at Paul Park. And it's we're on a train. I think it's Thomas the Tank Engine.
Choo choo.
But yeah. And we're so cool with little kids. And we're gonna go now. We're nearly off it, yeah.
I'm going to park.
Can't we go home? My fingers are numb.
I want to go at the other park.
Geese! Okay, bye bye.